Good morning students, welcome back. I am Abrar Ahmed. Today we are going to start class 12th physics unit 9 chapter 14. This is our last unit and last chapter, semiconductor or electronic devices. So without wasting of time, let's start physics class 12 unit 9 chapter 14 semiconductor electronic device. So in this chapter we have to study conductor, insulator, semiconductor, types of semiconductor, p type semiconductor, n type semiconductor, pn junction diode, forward bias, reverse bias, solar cell and gates. So our first topic is conductors. So we already know that conductors are the substance which allow the flow of current. We already know that conductors are the substance which allow the flow of current through them, like silver, gold, mercury. These are the conductor. Iron, copper, aluminium. So these are the conductor. So conductor are the substance which allow the flow of current. Now second topic is insulator. Our second topic is insulator. So insulator, it is also called bed conductor. Insulator is also called bed conductor. Insulator are the object, it is the substance which does not allow the flow of current through them. It does not allow the flow of current, like wood, plastic, clay, wax, paper, etc. So insulator are the substance which does not allow the flow of current. Now our third topic is semiconductor. Now our next topic is semiconductor. Semiconductor are the device which have the conductivity more than insulator but less than conductor. So conductivity of the conductor is more than semiconductor and is less than, it is also more than insulator. So conductivity of conductor is more and conductivity of insulator is less, and conductivity of semiconductor is between conductor and insulator. So we can say conductor have the more conductivity, insulator have the less conductivity, but semiconductor are the device which have the conductivity more than insulator but less than semiconductor. So semiconductor, there are two types of semiconductor. So now our next topic is types of semiconductor. So semiconductor, there are two types of semiconductor. Types of semiconductor. There are two types of semiconductor, pure semiconductor and second is impure semiconductor. Pure semiconductor is also called intrinsic semiconductor, or impure semiconductor is also called extrinsic semiconductor. Extrinsic semiconductor. So when the temperature of the semiconductor is increased, then current flow through the conductor is called pure semiconductor. When no extra impurities is mixed in semiconductor, then it is called pure semiconductor. And whenever impurities is mixed in semiconductor, then it becomes impure semiconductor. So impurities is also of two groups, trivalent group and pentavalent group. Trivalent group and pentavalent group. So it is also called p-type semiconductor. P-type semiconductor, and second is n-type semiconductor. So when trivalent impurities is mixed in the pure semiconductor, then it becomes p-type semiconductor. When trivalent impurities is mixed in pure semiconductor, then it is called p-type semiconductor. And when pentavalent impurities mixed in pure semiconductor, then it becomes n-type semiconductor. So in p-type semiconductor, number of electron is more than number of hole. Here electron are the charge carrier, and in n-type semiconductor, holes are the charge carrier. Electron are negatively charged particle and holes are positively charged particle. So these are the types of semiconductor. There are two types of semiconductor, pure semiconductor and impure semiconductor. Impure is also two types, p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor. So this is our p-type semiconductor and this is our n-type semiconductor. Now we have to start p-n junction diode. When p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor are connected together, then it is called p-n junction diode. When p-type semiconductor are connected to the n-type semiconductor, then it is called p-n junction diode. So here, when positive terminal of the battery is connected to the p-type semiconductor, this is the positive terminal of the battery connected to the p-type semiconductor, then it is called forward bias. And when this is p-type semiconductor and this is n-type, so this is called p-n junction diode. And whenever negative terminal of the battery, this is the negative terminal. When negative terminal of the battery connected to the p-type and positive connected to the n-type, then it is called reverse bias. So when p-type semiconductor connected to the positive terminal of the battery and when n-type semiconductor connected to the negative terminal of the battery, then it is called forward bias. And whenever n-type connected to the negative terminal, n-type connected to the positive terminal and p-type connected to the negative terminal. So whenever negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the n-type semiconductor connected to the positive terminal and p-type connected to the negative terminal, then it is called the reverse bias. So there are two types of bias, forward bias and reverse bias. So here a topic is remaining, doping. We have to also complete doping. Doping is our next topic. So what is doping? When impurities is added to the pure semiconductor. When impurities is added to pure semiconductor, this process is called doping. So doping is the process of adding impurities to the pure semiconductor. So this is our pure semiconductor and we are adding such impurities, and impurities is also trivalent impurities, or it may be pentavalent. It may be from pentavalent group. So when pure conductor becomes impure with the help of impurities, so this process is called doping. So doping is the process to become pure semiconductor to impure semiconductor with the help of adding impurities. Impurities may be trivalent group or pentavalent group. So doping is important topic. Now we have to understand solar cell. Solar cell is nothing but also a p-n junction diode. Solar cell is nothing but also a PN junction diode, but it convert solar energy into electrical energy. This PN junction diode convert solar energy into electrical energy. Nowadays solar cell, or we can say solar panel, becomes one of the most important factor of our life, because of it converts solar energy into electrical energy, and it is the renewable source of energy. It can never be end. So this is one of the most important topics, solar cell. Our last topic is gates, or we can say logic gate. Logic gate. So logic gate are the gate which are allowed in the circuit, to flow the current or stop the current. So there are 5 types of gate. First is OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate. These are the types of gate. This is called our basic gate. And these two are called universal gate. So OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate, these are called basic gate, and AND gate, NAND gate called universal gate. So symbol of OR gate is like this. Here is 2 input and 1 output. AND gate, the symbol of AND gate is like this. Here is also 2 input and 1 output. NOT gate, the symbol of NOT gate is like this. Here is only 1 input and 1 output. And NOR gate consists of OR gate plus NOT gate. So OR plus NOT is called NOR. So this is our OR gate. Here is 2 input. This is our OR gate, and this is our NOT gate. So this is called our NOR gate. AND gate, NAND gate consists of AND gate plus NOT gate. So AND gate plus NOT gate is called NAND gate. So this is our AND gate. This is our AND gate. Here is 2 input, and this is our NOT gate. So this becomes NAND gate. So there are 5 types of gate. This is our NOR gate. This is our AND gate. This is our OR gate. This is AND gate. This is NOT gate. So you can see the difference. This is OR gate, but this is OR plus NOT. So OR plus NOT is called NOR gate. So OR gate work on the principle of y is equal to a plus b. This work on the principle of a dot b. This is the Boolean expression. This is the Boolean expression of the gate. This work bar. This is y is equal to a plus b bar. This is y equal to a into b bar. So this is the types of gate. There are 5 types of gate only. OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. This is the basic gate, and this is the universal gate. We can convert any type, we can obtain any types of gate from other gate. So this is the 5 types of gate: OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NOR gate and NAND gate. This is the basic gate and this is the universal gate. Now we have to understand a theorem, De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem. So what is De Morgan's theorem? De Morgan's theorem said that if a plus b bar, it is a bar dot b bar. This is De Morgan's first theorem. This is also applicable for 3 input device. a plus b plus c bar is equal to a bar dot b bar dot c bar. And second theorem is if a dot b bar, so this is the a bar plus b bar. It is also given a into b into c bar is equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar. This is our De Morgan theorem. Here this chapter is completed. I hope you are understanding. Thanks for watching.